Hi guys, this is Prag Patel from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video. And this is an unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 6, the brand new GoPro. Yes, I got it and let's get into it. It has a tab over here. It's not coming out actually.
A few moments later.
So I guess I figured out a way to open it. But this isn't coming out. Actually, I did this. It's coming out here. Here it is. So we have mount. This is the battery and this is the charger. This is USB-C, so you can charge it with your power bank. And these are the two mounts that you can place in here. Let's open it. Okay, so here is our GoPro. Tight. So I peeled the sticker off. Let's put in the battery. So wait a minute. Okay, so power on. So the GoPro is currently charging and I'll get back to you within a week or so and it will be the review of the GoPro. Bye. Stay tuned.